Oblalotak, Kanuit busy. Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Last week, over the weekend, Bravik Mission School hosted middle school basketball tournament. I would like to thank all the staff, teachers, students who made this event possible. Everyone who worked at concessions, at admissions, people who helped with cleanups, thank you so very much for making this possible. Without you guys, we would not be able to host it. And to all those teachers who volunteered to let the other teams stay in your classroom, thank you all so much. Are you guys ready to see the slideshow of the tournament that we had last week? Hang in there. It was such a fun tournament, and these pictures were just so amazing. It looked so much fun and exciting. Did you guys know there were 8 teams for this tournament? There were 2 teams from Shish, one from Teller, Koyak, Gambo, White Mountain, Teller, did I say that? And Bravik Mission and Elam and Koyak, if I am repeating myself. But anyway, yeah, so there were 8 teams and Bravik got the first place. Second place was scored by Elam and third place was Teller. So great job, Bravik Mission team. You guys rock. And special congratulations to Mary Bruns, who's got female MVP, most valuable player. We are so proud of you, Mary. Good job, you guys. This was amazing. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day today. Happy learning.